Hello guys, welcome to Mahalingam Market Rhythm. Today I wanted to explain this Reliance stock prediction for 9th July. Okay, so let me start with that. 9th July prediction. Okay, so I already have that values for Reliance Camarilla pivots. The L3 is 2082. Okay, this is our L3. I can make like support zone, and your L4 will be 2072. Okay, somewhere here, and your H3 is 2101. 2101, and your H4 is 2111. Okay, somewhere here. Okay. So this is your resistance as well as target for long, and second entry point. Okay, and this is your first entry point. Okay, second entry point, first entry point for long trade. Okay, for the short, this is your first entry point, and this is your second entry point. Why I am giving 2 points for entries? Okay, see, the principle of Camarilla is when the stock or index moving towards H3, okay, then it is not able to sustain or break out your H3, the chances are coming down. Okay, coming to L3. Better I would make an L3. This is your H3. Okay, so when the stock is moving towards H3 and it is not able to break H3, then there will be a seller on the upside. Okay, if you sell this point at H3, L3 is your target. Okay, at any time stock is bounced back from L3, it will be a possible scenario when the stock coming to L3. Okay, there may be a guys and traders who can able to book their profit, and the stock will bounce back to H3. Okay, so the Camarilla principle what we are using, when the script coming to H3, you can go short. Okay, your stop loss will be L3. When the script coming back to L3, you can go long with the stop loss of L4. Okay. Okay. Now, yesterday I have given that this trend line is the key point. So whenever the trend line breaks and hold for 30 minutes, you can go short. And you can see the trend line breaks, and the trend also maintains its downward bias. Look at that close, 1, 2, 3 candle close to below the trend line. Okay, I would suggest to go short here, because always you have to wait for the retest, and you can easily judge that the trend is in very much down because of this trend line absolutely valuable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candle closed below this trend line. Number 1. Number 2. Number 1 below the key trend line. Number 2 below 20-day moving average. Okay, and number 3 traded below L3. Okay, there are 3 factors where you can able to watch the downtrend. Okay, always you have to enter in the retest point. Okay, the L3 already violated. Okay, then trend line also respected heavily. The trend is below 20-day moving average. After that, if you go short in this script, you are getting reasonable profit. Okay, then you have to watch this support point. This is the third support region. If you have a look in a daily chart, this is the third support region, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, it is respected very much by the script, and it is reflecting that the buyers are very strong at 2081. Look at the wick length, it's almost 20-25%. Okay, so Reliance has to hold 2081 for further upside. You can catch the Reliance either above the H3 or go short below the L3. But do not hold Reliance if the stock closed on a daily basis below 2081. So this is my first request. So using this moving average, Camarilla and trend line factor, it will helpful to predict the Reliance movement. Okay, then now we can go back one more trend for the same Reliance. See, Reliance is in the downtrend very much, but always it is respond back to the trend line. So this is your first point, this is your second point, and third consecutive downtrend and rejection formation. Okay, at any time the trend is trading above this line, okay, you can go long. It is very much useful to you to predict the trend through trend line. Okay, and you have to have these factors, not only this trend line. So you have to verify that your previous day low is respected. Okay, and it should be trade above this L3, and always you have to have a 20-day moving average in your chart to suggest the market reversal. Okay, so I hope you may trade in the Reliance with these levels. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget for share, subscribe and like. Thank you.